My name is Vikas. So today we'll talk about the DOM object in JavaScript. So what exactly it is. So I have specified four categories. You can see what is window object in JavaScript, and what are the difference between windows and documents. What is the screen object in JavaScript, and what is the DOM exactly. So before I start, so we know about the window object. So window object generally represent a window containing all the DOMs in the document. So basically the window can be the main window. When you open the browsers, if you open a new window, a frame set is individually set in a frame window. See, when a new window created with a JavaScript, so every window has the own property. The window is basically a superset of object that contains the document and screen object. Now the document is in JavaScript is a collection of represent the HTML document that is displayed in your window, right? When you open your window, then have some HTML content, so that is called like document. So what is screen object in JavaScript? Screen is basically all the informations of browser screens, and it can be used to display screen width, height and color, orientations of that, all those things related to the screens. Finally, what is DOM? DOM is generally document object models. It is represent the XML's part, HTML and XML part. So HTML and XML is a document, whatever the document, so whatever the tags in your files that represent in a model and document object. So in define the logical structures of document object, the way of document is access and manipulate all those things through the DOM object. So now let's go through the practical part, so we can very clear about the DOM object, document and windows, right? So now we can go to the code part as well. So I have a Visual Code, so I've created a files like document demo.html. so you can see I have write simple HTML so that it contains only the bodies, and I have include the text.js files. So in text.js files I remove these things and simply I console window object. Then you can see in the browser, so if I print directly in the browsers, so I can go through the text folders. Now I have saved it local demo test. Yes, here is the demo, so I put it here. You can see HTML, then test folders, then here is the test or HTML JS file. So if I open this in other Guinness editor, and it is the same things which we have showed in the Visual Studio. So now I print only the console log in window, console log in window. If I go to the browsers, then only we can see what exactly the DOM is represent. So in here you can see in the console sections, so window object hold all those functions and object, and you can see properties available in here. So we are going to the document. So in my representations, you can see the document is available in within window object. So now you can see this is the document object, and it holds all the URLs, whatever the URLs, current URL. So document always represent the current document HTMLs. So if I print it document only, so you can see here, so it hold all the HTML part. You can see if I show the inspect element, so you can see this structure is in our HTML files. But now if you go to the console, then you can see also only object hold the HTML part. So it is pure HTML tags available. So now the thing is, what is the object? So document, yes, DOM, document object model. So what is object? These tags. So I can say all the tags are belongs to the object. If I have say title, then I want to call title, so I can get the title. What is the title? This is the because. If I refresh this, yes, you can find the title. So this is the object. The title document hold the object, and which we have called directly through the document object. So we can also call it window the document. So it is also available in here. If I call same things, then nothing change. You can call it through the window. So everything is belongs to the window object. So now the thing is DOM definition DOM. So one thing is the HTML is the document, right? And another thing is object is like title, all those title, like title tag, and all the tags are available in JavaScript, yeah, HTML file. So what is model? To know about model, so DOM is the document. DOM is stands for document. All those HTML files have some contents, have some HTML tags. Those are the documents. Object is like tag, HTML body tag, like tags like title tag, titles, body, header, something like that, heads, something like that. What is model? Where is model? Model. Where is model? Is question mark. What is model? The model is like just like a structure. So whatever your structure or informations available. So this is the structure. Head, within the head I have put the titles. This is the structure. That is called model. So if I put this content here, it will not show. So go to inspect. I have to save. I think the browser is always put into the body part, but it is not a structural way. That is, so browser is automatically passing into the body section, so that's why it's showing, but it is not a structure. So those structures are belongs to the model. One thing I need to clear you. I'm sorry, I'm opening other windows, so I have to close this window. It is always opening to distracting you. So I will show you what exactly it is. We print the document window object. Again you can see the script part as well. So you can go through the one by one, like it is the ascending order of that properties. So you can directly, yes, this is the screen object which I want to talk about. So window.screen, if I print this, then you can see all the information regarding the browsers, regarding your window, it is available. So 78 is the width available and 687 3606, here is that exactly width and height, right? 678, and when it change the orientation of that window, then you can see the value has been changed. So this is the screen. So those two objects, screen and document, belong to the window, and all those properties are available regarding the windows. So hope this video will be help you. So later I will create a new video. So please comment this video if I can improve. Any suggestion on this, please subscribe my channels. Hope this video will help and to motivate you to learn, and if you do regularly practice, then you can learn some more about that, what exactly the property, how can I use this, right? Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in next chapter. Thank you so much.